Hey guys, welcome back to Hobby Farm Homestead. We're out here in the hayfield up at the other farm up the road, and we're going to go ahead and set a blind up right in this area. In the last video I took you guys in through the woods there, and our stand is about 120-200 yards back in there. So I'm going to leave the stand up back here because there are some signs of movement back there, but I want to go ahead and set the blind up here so I can cover this field. These deer, they come out, there's a pond just on the other side of that tree line right there. They come out and they come right across through here and they poke right back in the woods. So I'm gonna go ahead and set like a little food block right there and some whole corn and set the blind up here, and then I'll get a camera up and we'll see how it goes. So let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. All right, should be this is supposed to be a 360-degree blind, so should be able to see out of all sides of it. Supposed to be a chair with it too somewhere.
Pull that off. Oh, God.
Okay. How about we read the instructions, huh? Hold on, don't move it. There's probably a certain way to do it.
Already tired.
Alright, set, run, remove the blind, carrier bag. Have to spread out the corners of the blind to locate the center hub of the roof of the blind. Here, hold that. There's the center hub.
If I pull it up.
Hold on. Alright.
There's a handle.
It says firmly pull the strap attached to the center hub ring until the roof pops up.
Help me.
All right. Well, that was fun.
Wait, Dad, can you see me?
No, I can't see you. You're in a blind.
Oh my God!
Settle down. Let's see what it looks like inside.
It's so, like, they can't see me, but I can't see them.
It's definitely 360, and it's definitely see-through, except for the back part, which is fine. Yeah, so these slide up and down. Yes, that's all you need for that, and they slide up. That's it.
You sure these things don't, like, come off? Oh.
No, that's it. They slide up and down.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
We need, like, chairs.
It's out there. We'll get it. All right, just leave it. I like it.
Oh, you have to strap it down. a lot like I'm hold on. So like, if you sit in here and like see a deer, and
Yeah,
then, like,
you just pull
you,
it
like,
down.
slow this down.
No, you don't have to do both sides. You just get a window. You have to do it slow.
That's awkward.
That's pretty cool. All right, let's go outside and get it strapped down.
Here, I'll do this.
Put this up too. That should be a good spot for it. Yeah, because right there, so I can see up that way. We got there, and we also got over here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put some corn and this food block down. There's the blind, it's all up. Got the strings here, stakes in the corner, and then the binder strings down just on 3 sides. But all in all, for what I paid for this, and I got it off of Amazon, it's decent. Like I showed you inside, 360-degree view. It should cover everything. So, all right, let's get that set up.
Oh god, it's starting to fall apart.
All right, so I got the corn, got the block. That should be good enough. So now we gotta just set up the camera, which I think I'm going to put probably right in here. Did have a stake around here somewhere. Okay, well, that took a little bit doing, but I got the photo camera right there. Kind of need to do something with that strap, because that's probably going to scare them. Just wrap it around here. Just don't want it blowing in the wind. They'll pick that up and be scared of everything. All right, well, hopefully that thing works. Last time I used it, it wasn't taking photos, or the delay was messed up on it. The delay, I think, might have been at like 25 seconds. Well, I got a bunch of corn, got 50 pounds of corn out, plus the block. So that should do it. And I think about 2 days we'll come out here and sit in this blind. Or 2 days, maybe we'll check on the card and see if there's any. It's like 294 right now. So hopefully we get something on there. All right, guys, it's a shorty, but we want to show you us setting up this blind. It's a little late in the deer season. It's already 1 weekend, but today is the coolest day of the last week. It's been in the 80s, 85 degrees, and that's just not deer hunting weather. So, you know, next week it's supposed to drop down in the mid 50s for a high. So that'll be good weather. In the evenings it'll be really cool, and in the mornings it'll be super cool. So they'll start moving then, and hopefully we get a deer this year. But other than that, guys, I will catch you on the next one.